YouTube. So we're back with another video. My wife was trying to challenge me on if I could make an affordable seafood pasta. So that's what we're gonna be doing for you guys today. Come along with us. We have the all our vegetables, all our onions, bell peppers, got the crab meat, shrimp. This is the ramen that we're gonna use today. Purchased it from Costco's. I really like this brand. Got our heavy cream over here. All right, so come along with us. I'm gonna start with caramelizing the bell peppers and the onions, and then I'll go ahead and start on the ramen. The ramen don't take too long to cook, so I'll probably end up doing that closer at the end of closer to when this is done. Alright, so what we're doing now, we're gonna start off with the butter. Rub down the butter, and then I'm gonna start with the onions. We're gonna fry those up. Back here we have some shrimp shells. We're gonna try to make a seafood stock. Go ahead and add the bell peppers. Add a spoon of garlic. We're going to put the green onions in there. So we just added the crab meat. We'll add our shrimp in there. Alright, so we added our shrimp in there. Let that cook down a little bit. Go ahead and add our seasonings.
That's a tablespoon.
We use the tablespoon of all the seasonings that they like. There you got that cover.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna save a little bit of the seasoning to add in. It's still needed after we put this heavy whipping cream in there. Hey, how much you'll say all of this came up? How much was the shrimp and the crab?
Well, the shrimp was on sale for $12 something. I would say $13 the shrimp. The crab for the toucan, I would say maybe $7 or $8. And the noodles was how much that cost? Was $6 something or $8?
Alright, so I'm just adding some more butter in there. Right now, I'm gonna add some heavy whipping cream in there. We're gonna let it just simmer. We'll cover it and simmer it. Me and Babe love coconut, so we're gonna add some coconut cream to the mix.
Sounds
What you
good.
think?
Sounds good to me.
Alright. If you like curry, you can add curry, whatever you like. Whatever you like. There you can have that coconut cream.
Yeah.
We're gonna add the coconut cream in next. Alright. Or you can use coconut milk. Whatever you have. Whatever you like to use.
Hey y'all, it's your girl E-Babes. I am here helping him. You know, I gotta help Babe, okay? But yeah, you guys, as you can see right now, we have the pot right now for the noodles. Right, Babe?
Yeah.
We just wait.
Bring up to boil. Go ahead and start. Just add your oil to your water. Add your oil to your water. And alright, so we're gonna add our ramen. We'll separate it after a minute. It's in there for a minute. We'll separate it after a minute or so. And let it boil, finish cooking about 4 minutes. The directions is. Oh no, I don't like to do too much. Alright, so we're gonna add some of that shrimp stuff.
Alright, you guys. How long, Babe?
Alright, so we're gonna separate it in like 1 minute, and then we'll go ahead and let it finish cooking 4 minutes. We'll leave it on for about 4 minutes, and it should be done.
Alright.
We'll go ahead and strain it, and we'll get the strainer ready. Trying to separate it a little bit. These noodles are a little different from the normal ones. So it's real easy to overcook. Real easy to overcook them, so I'm trying to really keep my eyes on them.
You're a little bit healthier than the regular.
Yeah, that's what it's trying to do, get a healthy pasta. Ready, babe?
All right, you guys, here's the finished product. The plate looks so good. Yes, ma'am. This was a 10 out of 10. They did that. Like, you can taste all the fresh herbs, all the flavors. I have nothing to say. I'm sitting there doing a voiceover, you guys. Like, I want Bae to make another one. So good. 10 out of 10. Better than takeout. And don't forget to always put God first, E-Babes. I love you all so much. And yeah, bye. Stay tuned.